Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by confirming the essentials so activation can proceed without delays. First, make sure your PC is online and system date/time are accurate. Activation requires network validation. Next, check that the Windows Edition installed matches the product key or digital license you own, because mismatches fail. Finally, sign in with an administrator account and have the product key or Microsoft account details at hand. Once done, we'll move to the activation tools and commands. Now run the built-in activation flow and command line tools to force revalidation. Open Settings, go to Update and Security, Activation, and click Activate or Change Product Key. If that fails, open an elevated command prompt and run slmgr. VBS/ipgear key then slmgr. VBS/auto to apply and activate. If online activation still fails, run slew4 to get phone activation options. Make sure to copy any error codes or messages exactly. Finish by ensuring all recent updates are installed, then restart and retry activation. Updates often include activation fixes. If the online path fails, use slew4 to activate by phone or sign into the Microsoft account linked to a digital license to automatically validate. Make sure you enter the key exactly and keep the error code if problems remain. If activation still fails despite these steps, contact Microsoft support with the recorded error code for guided resolution and possible license reassignment.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.